This is the last question of exercise 4C, and this question is F. In this, two mixed fractions are given, 5 complete 2 upon 7 and 21 complete 3 upon 19. So we will change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 7 into 5 equals to 35, 35 plus 2 equals to 37, and here 21 into 19 is equals to 399. So multiply 21 and 19. So what you will get? See, 19 1 ja 19. So we will write 9, carry over 1, 19 to the 38, 38 plus 1, 39. So 21 into 19 equals to 399 plus 3 equals to how much? 402. So this number become 402 upon 19, and this number will become 37 upon 7. Now what we will do, we will take the LCM and we will open this bracket first. Plus minus becomes the minus, and the LCM of 7, 9, 14 and 19. So 7, 9, 14 and 19 LCM are, look at here, this 14 can be divided by 2, so we have written 2 here. Now 2 7 ja 14, so here 7. On all other number cannot be divisible by 2, so we have written as it is. Now here this 9 can be divisible by 3, so we have written here 3 3s are 9, so here we have written 3. Another number as it is. Now again this 3 can be divisible by 3, so 3 we have written here, so 3 1 ja 3. Other number 7 7 and 19 as it is. Now this 7 can be divisible by 7, so 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 19, only 19 left. Now 19 1 ja 19. Now the LCM of 7, 9, 14 and 19 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 19. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 19 is equals to what? Let's see. 2 into 3 equals to 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 7, see 18 into 7 what? 18 into 7 I think 126. So 7 into 8 equals to 56. 5, 7 1 ja 7 plus 5 equals to 12, 126. Now 126 into 19. So 9 6 are 54, carry over 5, 9 6 are 54, carry over 5, 9 2s are 18, 18 and 5, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23, carry over 2, 9 1s are 9, 9 or 2, 11. Now 126 we will write as it is. Now add all the numbers. 4 as it is, 3 and 6 9, 1 and 2 3, and 1 and 1 2, 2 3 9 4 is the LCM of 2 3 3 7 19. Okay, now what we will do, so our denominators we will multiply some number to get 2 3 9 4. So what to do here? Now this denominator 7 we have to change in the form of LCM. So 2 3 9 4 is the LCM. Now what to do? We will divide this 2 3 9 4 by 7. So we will get 7 3s are 21. Now 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now take this 9. So number become now 29. So 7 4s are 28. Now 28 minus 29 minus 28 equals to 1. Now take this 4. 14, number become 14. Now 7 2s are 14. So by multiplying 342 in 7 we can get 2394. So here we have written 342 into 37 and 7 into 342. Now we will see the next denominator is 9. Now see here, so what we will do, we will divide this LCM by the denominator 9. So 9 2s are 18. Now 23 minus 18 equals to 5. Now take the next number 9. Now number become 59. 9 6 are 54. So 9 6 are 54. Now 59 minus 54. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. Now take the next number 4 here. Now again 9 6 are 54. So the number now become 266. So multiply 9 into 66, multiply 9 into 66, we will get 2394. So we have to multiply its numerator also by 266 to get then next number is 14. Next denominator is 14. Now we will divide the LCM 2394 by 14. So 14 1 ja 14. Now 3 minus 4 cannot possible, so it will become 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 equals to 9. Now this number become 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now take the next number 9. So number become 99. Now 14 5 ja 70. Now and 14 7 ja 98. Now 99 minus 98 equals to 1. Now take the next number 14. So 14 1 ja 14. So the number 171. So multiply 14 with 171, we will get 2394. So that's why we have written 14 into 171. So multiply the 171 in the numerator also. Now next number is 19. So next denominator is 19. So 19, we will divide this LCM 2394 by 19. So 19 1 ja 19. Now 13 minus 9 equals to 4. 1 minus 1 0. Now this take 4 or 9 here. Now 90 2s are 38. So we are at 38. Now 49 minus 38. 8 minus 9 minus 8 equals to 1. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Now take this 4. So 114. Now 19 6 are 114. 19 into 6 equals to 114. How? 6 9s are 54. Carry over 5. And 6 1 ja 6 and 5 11. So 104. So we got 126 by dividing 2394 by 19. So what we can say? We can say when we multiply 19 and 126, we can get 2394. So that's why we multiply to 19 into 126, we will get 2394 in the denominator. So we have to multiply to 126 into numerator also. Now multiply all the numbers. 342 with 37, 266 with 8, and 171 with 3, and 402 with 126. So to multiply 342 with 37, 7 2s are 14, carry over 1. Now 7 4s are 28 plus 129, carry over 2. 7 3s are 21 and 2 carry 23. So we have written 2394 here. Now 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12, carry over 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now add 4. 9 and 6 equals to 15, carry over 1. 1 and 3 4 and 2 6. 2 as it is and 1 as it is. So 12,654 by multiplying 342 with 37. So we have written here. Now multiply 266 with 8. 8 6 are 48, carry over 4. 8 6 are 54 plus 4 52, carry over 5. Now 8 2s are 16 plus 5 equals to 21. So while multiplying 266 with 8, we got 2128. Now next 3 into 171. So 3 into 171. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21, carry over 2. 3 1 ja 3 or 2 5. So 513. So we have written here 513. The sign here minus and here also minus. Now next 402 into 126. So when we multiply 402 with 126, 6 2s are 12, carry over 1, 1, 6 zeros are 0, 1 as it is, 6 4s are 24. Now 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8. Now 1 into 402 equals to 402. Now 2 as it is, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, 4 plus 2 equals to 6, 8 plus 2 equals to 10, carry over 1, and 4 and 1 equals to 5. So 50,652. So we have written it here and the sign is minus. Now we will add all the negative numbers because these three are in the negative sign. So we will add these all. So 2 1 2 8 we will write here, and 513 also we will write in the downside of this number. Now add all these three numbers. So 2 plus 8 equals to 10 plus 3 13, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 6 plus 1 7, and 7 plus 5 12, carry over 1. Now 1 and 2 3 and 5 as it is. So 53,293. So we have written here, and the sign is minus. Now this 12,654 we have written as it is. Now it is of plus sign and it is of minus sign. So we will subtract 53,093. So minus 12,654. So this number 3 minus 4. So this number will become 13 and this number will become 8. So 13 minus 4 equals to 9. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Here this number 9 become 8. Now this number 2. So we have to take 1 from the previous number. So this number will become 2 and this number will become 12. So 12 minus 6 equal to 6, and this 2 minus 2 equals to 0, and 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So 40,639 upon 2394. Now it is a improper fraction because numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will divide this number 40,639 by 2394. Now see this number 40 is less than 4 is less than 2394. 40 is also less than 2394. 406 also less than 2394. So 4063 is bigger than the 2394 because this is 4000. If we take these four numbers 4060, it will be 4063 and it is 2394. So we will divide this number one time only. We can read the table. 2394 we will write here. Now subtract. So 13 minus 4 equals to 9. Now 15 minus 4, 15 minus 9 equals to also 9. Now this number will become 9. So 9 minus 3 equal to 6, and this number 3 minus 2 equals to 1, and the next number is 9. Now we will read the table of 2394 up to only 6 times only, because 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 6 4s are 50, 6 4s are 24. We'll write 4. Now 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 2, 56. Carry over 5. 6 3s are 18. 18 and 5 23. Carry over 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 2 14. Now subtract. So 9 minus 4 equals to 5. 9 minus 6 equal to 3, and 3 minus 9 minus 3 equal to 6 9. Actually this number is 6. Here 6 will come. When we subtract, then here 6 will come. 16699. 16699. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3, and 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So 2 3 3 5. So remainder we will write at in the place of numerator, and divisor in the place of divisor. 2394 and 16 in the front, and the sign minus. So we got answer minus 16 complete, 2335 upon 2394. This is the answer.